Come test drive the 2015 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here, and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, remote engine start, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, Bose sound system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, air conditioning. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.